Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying hardware and account details so setup goes smoothly. Plug the modem into power and the ISP line, then connect the router to the modem via Ethernet. Once done, turn on both devices and check status lights for power and sync. Make sure your computer's network adapter is enabled in system settings. If using Wi-Fi, keep the router nearby for initial setup. If Ethernet, use a quality cable to avoid link flaps. These actions establish the baseline for configuration. Now you configure the router so devices can access the internet. Open a browser, go to the router's IP, and log in using the printed credentials. Change the admin password immediately. Next, set the wireless name and a strong WPA2 or WPA3 passphrase so clients join securely. Enable DHCP to automatically assign IPs. If your ISP uses PPPoE, enter the account credentials in WAN settings to establish the link. Finally, finish by verifying that devices can reach the internet. You can ping 888 or open a few websites to confirm DNS and routing work. If pages fail to load, update the router firmware and reboot both modem and router. Simple reboots resolve many transient issues. Make sure cables are seated and the ISP isn't reporting an outage. If problems persist, try a factory reset and reconfigure, or call your ISP. Explain the steps you took so they can diagnose the line or account quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.